Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to customize the Shopify checkout page step by step, even if you are not a developer. We will walk through both the default customization options and what you can do with Shopify Plus and apps to take your checkout to the next level. Before we start, it's important to know Shopify doesn't allow full checkout customization unless you are on Shopify Plus. But don't worry, there are still plenty of powerful ways to customize your checkout experiences, even on the basic and advanced plans. First of all, go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click search for shopify.com and log into your account, login. Go to settings and click checkout. Here you can customize the following. Customer accounts, choose if accounts are optional, required, or disabled. Contact method, let customers check out via email or phone. Form options, set which fields are required, optional, or hidden. Tipping, enable tipping for service-based stores. Order processing, auto fulfill options, address autocomplete, custom, checkout message, add instructions or terms and conditions. These tweaks are great for simplifying the experience or collecting extra information. To change how your checkout looks visually, go to online store, then themes. Now select your themes and click customization. Then select checkout from the drop down, click section or select the checkout from here. Here you can customize logo placement, banner image, background colors, button styles, typography, error messages, etc. These changes help make the checkout feel more trustworthy and aligned with your brand. If you are on Shopify Plus, you unlock access to the checkout.liquid file. Go to click on three dot. Now click on three dot icon, then click edit code and in the search bar from left side bar, search checkout. See checkout. Checkout.liquid file, which gives full control over layout, upsells, shipping logic, and custom scripts. With Shopify functions and scripts, you can add things like tiered discounts, conditional payments, shipping methods, checkout, upsells, custom variation, uh, custom validation. But remember, Shopify Plus starts at around $2,000 per month. So it's more for high volume brands. If you are not on Plus, you can still upgrade your checkout experience using Shopify apps. Here are a few worth checking out. Reconvert, add post purchase, upsells, and thank you page edits. Ultimate sticky add to cart helps increase conversion. Order delivery date lets customers choose their delivery time. Shopify inbox or chat widgets add live chat to the checkout page. These apps help boost conversions, trust, and overall customer satisfaction. Here are some quick tips to keep in mind. Keep checkout clean and fast, avoid too many distractions, use trust badges, reviews, and guarantees, enable shop, pay, or express checkout to reduce cart abandonment. Always test your checkout on mobile and desktop. Click Customize, then click the home page icon, then select Checkout from here. Click View Documentation or try again. Here you can customize logo placement, banner image, background colors, button styles, typography, error messages, etc. These changes help make the checkout feel more trustworthy and aligned with your brand. So follow the troubleshooting process like that. Look at the source of the issue, image not displaying correctly, problem, uh, product or collection not displaying properly. And that's how you customize your Shopify checkout page in 2025. Whether you are a beginner or scaling up, a smooth checkout is key to conversions. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and drop a comment if you would like a free checkout branding checklist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.